Hi friends, it's Kenny the Kangaroo here. Today, we're going to do some magical color changing experiments. Are you ready? Let's hop right in. First, we have our magic colors, red, blue, and yellow. Watch closely as we mix these colors and create magic. Wow, look at that, the water turned red. Let's try another color. Blue water and yellow water. But wait, the magic isn't done yet. Red and yellow make orange. What happens if we mix blue and yellow? Blue and yellow make green! Isn't that amazing? Let's do one more. Red and blue make purple. Ta-da! We've made a rainbow of colors. Now that we've learned so many colors, which one is your favorite? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more magical fun with Kenny. See you next time, friends. Thanks for watching! Be sure to check out more fun videos from Joyful Hoppers Kids. Tap the screen to discover exciting adventures and learn with us. Don't forget to subscribe and keep hopping with joy.